Hey there, it's Kevin from Product Design Online, and today I want to show you how to set the top and front view in Fusion 360. So I see all the time people struggle with reorienting their object. Now you can right click and use the move or rotate function, but a lot of times it just takes too long and it's really not the most efficient way. Now, whether you're going to create a drawing for your model or you're going to import it for 3D printing, you want to make sure that it's set up in the correct orientation so you don't have to adjust it later on. So for my example, I want the top of the boat to be set to the top, but right now it's set as the front. So if I go ahead and hit the front part of the cube, now all we have to do is select the little drop down arrow and then go to set current view as top. So you'll see that changed it, and now the top of the boat is set as the top of my model. Now I also want to select the front of the boat and change that to the front view. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the right hand view, which it's currently set to, and then once again hit the drop down arrow, set current view as, and then front. So there you have it. That's the easiest and most efficient way to reorient your objects in Fusion 360. If you learned something in this video, be sure to subscribe and check out Product Design Online for more resources.